Let's talk about matters drought, where the ongoing drought has affected 35% of both learners in Marsabit and Samburu County, as deaths has also been registered to lactating, expectant and breastfeeding women, to which has also raised up severe and acute malnutrition rate. Ahmed Kura, country representative for the Kenya Drylands Education, said that the situation of drought is worse at the moment. Many families are suffering and children are dropping out of school due to hunger and starvation. Samburu North MP Eli Letipila thanked KDEF for immediate intervention of relief food provision to the area residents to save their lives.
Over 35% of learners are not in school. And this we collected actual data in a sample area. And it was shocking for us to see that. And if this continues, more than half the learners will be out of schools. That means we're going to not achieve the sustainable development goals that we have as a country, and especially the pastoralist communities.
We want the government to re-implement the school feeding programs, because it has not been operational since June this year. That's almost 4 months of no food in schools.
The water project, the borehole, that is just beginning to pump the water this week after the installation of these panels that we can see here. I take this opportunity to thank you most sincerely from the level of our hearts, because at this time to find water, many other people are moving 60, 70 kilometers to collect one water bowser.
And that story from Isiolo brings Weekend of One to its first commercial break. Don't go too far. We will be back with much more.